In an era of information overload, finding what you're looking for on the internet can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not. Google, the tech giant that revolutionized the way we search, has unleashed its latest innovation, AI-powered search. Join us as we delve into the world of Google's new AI search and discover how it's transforming the way we find information. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has come a long way in recent years. Its ability to understand and process vast amounts of data has opened up new possibilities. Now, Google has harnessed the power of AI to enhance its search capabilities like never before. Google utilizes AI across a wide range of its products and services to enhance user experiences, improve efficiency, and deliver relevant and personalized results. Here are some key ways Google uses AI. Google's search engine leverages AI algorithms to understand user queries, interpret intent, and provide highly relevant search results. AI helps in analyzing user behavior, understanding context, and delivering personalized search experiences. Google employs AI-powered natural language processing, NLP, to understand and process human language. This enables Google Assistant, voice search, and conversational interactions, allowing users to interact with technology in a more natural and intuitive manner. Google extensively utilizes machine learning algorithms to improve its products and services. Machine learning helps in training models to recognize patterns, make predictions, and continuously improve algorithms for tasks like image recognition, language translation, and spam detection. Google's virtual assistant, Google Assistant, utilizes AI to understand user commands, provide information, and perform tasks. It employs natural language understanding, machine learning, and deep learning techniques to deliver conversational and personalized experiences. AI enables Google to develop powerful image and speech recognition capabilities. Google Photos uses AI to automatically categorize and tag images, while Google Translate utilizes AI for real-time language translation through speech recognition and synthesis. Google employs AI algorithms to analyze user preferences, behavior, and historical data to offer personalized recommendations. This can be seen in personalized search results, YouTube video recommendations, and tailored advertisements. Google's self-driving car project, Waymo, utilizes AI and machine learning to enable autonomous driving. AI algorithms help the vehicles perceive the environment, make real-time decisions, and navigate safely. Google's AI technologies have been applied to healthcare research, including disease detection, medical imaging analysis, and drug discovery. AI helps analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns, provide insights, and support healthcare professionals. Google's AI powers smart home devices like Google Nest, allowing users to control and automate their homes through voice commands, personalized settings, and intelligent home management. AI is utilized by Google to identify and prevent spam emails, phishing attempts, and fraudulent activities across its services, such as Gmail and Google Ads. By leveraging AI algorithms, Google's new search system can analyze context, understand user intent, and deliver more accurate and relevant search results. It's like having a knowledgeable assistant guiding you through the vast digital landscape. One of the key components of Google's AI search is natural language processing. This breakthrough technology enables users to search using conversational language, just like talking to a human. Instead of typing fragmented keywords, you can now ask questions in a more natural and intuitive manner. Google's AI search understands the nuances of language, allowing for more precise search results that match your query. Google's AI search goes beyond just understanding words. It also strives to understand you. By learning from your search history, preferences, and behavior, it tailors the search results to your specific needs. This personalization ensures that you receive information that is relevant to your interests, making your search experience more efficient and enjoyable. It's like having your own digital curator, presenting you with the most useful and meaningful results. AI is not limited to text-based searches. Google's AI search takes visual exploration to the next level. By leveraging computer vision algorithms, it can understand and analyze images, providing rich information directly from visuals. Whether you're searching for a famous landmark, a product, or a work of art, Google's AI search can identify and provide detailed insights about what you're looking at. It's like having your own personal visual guide at your fingertips. With each passing day, Google's AI search continues to learn and improve. As AI technology evolves, we can expect even more exciting advancements in the world of search. From voice-based interactions to augmented reality integrations, the future of search holds endless possibilities. Google's commitment to innovation ensures that we're on the cusp of a search revolution that will shape the way we access information in the years to come. So, whether you're a student searching for information, a professional seeking answers, or a curious mind exploring the world, Google's new AI search is here to assist you, providing a seamless and personalized search experience like never before. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Google's new AI search. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching.